Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. Tim back with another video, and in this video we are looking at the market. Is it still hot? Are homes still selling quickly? Are homes going above asking price? Well, we're going to find out today. I can already kind of predict where we're going, but our local association, the Huntsville Area Association of Realtors, just released their Q1 report for the first quarter of this year, and really no surprises, but I thought we would go over it because I continue to get questions about whether or not we're in a housing bubble, or things slowing down, or interest rates slowing us down. So I thought we would take a look at this. So hey, before we get started, if you don't mind, if you like what we do here on the channel, if you like the information we bring you about the area, do me a favor, click that subscribe button. Click the little bell notification icon and give us a thumbs up, and that helps us here with the YouTube algorithm, I'm told. So get that done. Also, don't forget, if you are moving to the area, relocating here for work, for school, for retirement, love to help you find the home of your dreams. We've got Revolved Realty here, 80 agents on the ground across North Alabama, ready to go to work for you. And I got to tell you, we are really working with a lot of folks who are finding us via the YouTube channel and moving here, so we want to thank them for their business. So, all right, let's call up my handy dandy computer here and take a look. This is the first quarter report. In a nutshell, 45% of homes selling above list price. Not a surprise there. I think the last time we looked, just about every home that had sold in the last month or so had sold at least at asking. This tells us that about half of those are going above list. Homes under 200,000, sales continue a 3-year decline. And I got to tell you, I think it's because there are no homes under 200,000 in the market here anymore. So that is not a real surprise. But we're going to look at a couple of the facts here, and then we're going to go look at the graph. Median sales price rose to a record level of $333,000 in March. Sales of homes priced between $500,000 and $800,000 more than doubled, while the number of homes priced below $200,000 have fallen for 3 years. Now, let's talk about this for a second, because here, homes in the $500,000 to $800,000 range, that's considered luxury market. Anything over $500,000 is luxury. So sales of homes priced between $500,000 and $800,000 more than doubled over last year, while the number of homes below $200,000 have fallen. So again, the number of homes under $200,000 are just non-existent, so we expect that to fall. But the doubling of luxury houses here is, it's not really surprising. I think it's very interesting, and I think one of the reasons why is because we have so many folks relocating here with big budgets. You know, they are in markets where a 1,500 square foot home can sell for $800,000. So they're selling those. They're coming here. They're well qualified. They've got cash to spend, and they're buying homes in the upper price range, $500,000 to $800,000. 45% of homes sold this quarter were at price above list. Talked about that. Consumer inflation rate jumped 8% in March, more than 4 times the 2021 level. You know what's going on with the economy, folks. We don't have to go into it there. So what I want to do is bring up our graph. Every month we do a market snapshot just to look at the market and see what it's doing. And I think it's probably going to tell us about what we're getting here. Housing prices continue to rise, up 22% from 2021. That's a good number. Number of homes sold fell slightly from the first quarter because there's just not as many homes for sale. Sales of homes priced between $300,000 and $350,000 rose 65%, while again sales of homes priced below $150,000 dropped more than 50% compared to a year ago. And again, there just aren't that many homes available in that $150,000, $200,000 range. Here, even a crappy fixer-upper is going to cost you about $150,000. Average days on the market was 11. I see things going a heck of a lot quicker than that. Let's see if there's anything else. The monthly median sales price continued to climb, up 21.6%. Of the 1,886 sales in the first quarter, 45% sold above list. Number of homes sold increased in all price bands above 300,000. Okay, we looked at that. So let's go over and look at the screen that we look at every month. This is where I take you to show you really the what's happening in the market. I think this particular graph, this setup can tell us more than pretty much anything. So really quickly, I'm not going to spend a ton of time on this, but this is going to show us what's going on in the market. We are looking at the last 12 months. The latest stats ended in April. You can see we are looking at average sale price. And there you go. Huntsville City, 234.5. Madison, 270. Athens, 235. Decatur, 195. But here's the interesting part. If you look over here, that's a 26% jump in the last 12 months in City of Huntsville. 22% City of Madison, 24% Athens, and 25% Decatur. I get a lot of questions about Athens and Decatur. You know, are they similar to Huntsville in economy? No. How do they stand up as far as home prices, home appreciation? Well, you can see the appreciation, the average sales price in Athens and Decatur has actually risen faster than the City of Madison. Now, that could be because there's not a whole lot of inventory in the city of Madison. So that shows you just what's going on. Let's see, just over the last month, since the last time we looked, Huntsville 230, Madison 265, Athens 230, Decatur 190, and every one of them went up about $4,000 or $5,000. So let's look at the median sale price. Median, again, is middle. Average is where you take all the homes, you come up with a number, and you divide them by the number of homes. Median is where you take the high and the low, and you look at the middle. So the median, let me go back over here. Actually, we were on the median screen. I get those backwards. Median sale price is what we just looked at. All right, so median sales price, again, 26% increase, 22%. Now let's look at the average sale price. Sorry about that. I get them backwards. Average sale price in the City of Huntsville rose 19.3%. City of Madison, 24%. Athens, almost 24%. Decatur, 24%. So the average sale price in these three areas outpaced the City of Huntsville. And let's look at end of April and then end of March. And you can see it's a pretty nice improvement over the month. So the market here is still hot. Homes under 200,000, hard to find these days. Median, I think the price range they said was about 333. Let's look at number of homes for sale. And you can see we've kind of flattened out. But look at this. These numbers are really kind of scary. If you look at it, City of Madison in April, there were 18 homes that sold. And I guarantee you there was 18 homes that came on the market. Huntsville 68, Athens 31, Decatur 26. Now, I think a lot of, the reason is the inventory in Madison is extremely limited. And if you look over the course of the last year, 22% down in the City of Huntsville, 22% fewer homes for sale. Madison 33%, Athens 8%, Decatur 40%. I mean, that's a huge dip. It really is. I mean, in the number of homes for sale. But again, as inventory goes down, prices go up. Someone asked me the other day if we're seeing any kind of slowdown based on interest rates going up. And so far, not really. Folks that still need to buy a house to live in are still in the market. What the interest rates tend to do is scale back how much home you might can afford, because the interest rate determines your monthly payment. So let's see, what else do we want to look at? Pending sales, those are improved a little bit, went down a little bit here. Number of sales closed, and again, you can see this is a declining inventory here. That's what is allotting for these negative numbers, is there's simply not as many homes on the market to close. And here we go back, days on the market. Huntsville, about an average of 4, Madison 3, Athens 4, Decatur 3. It's rare to see a home not sell within the first week. If it doesn't, it's really funny because it's kind of alarming to the seller and to a lot of agents. Well, gosh, we've been on the market 4 days. I can remember when days on market were 3 or 4 months, but people here are just so used to houses going quickly that if they don't go within the first 2 or 3 days, it kind of scares them a little bit. So, all right. So anyway, I'm not going to go through the whole thing. A lot of it you've seen before, but I just wanted to show you, again, the market update over the last 30 days. The market is still going up. Again, the numbers coming out of Q1, homes under $200,000. Of course, sales declined simply because there's not a lot. But then you've got homes in the $500,000 to $800,000 range, which have more than doubled over the last year. And again, I think that's attributed to the folks who are relocating here are higher end shoppers. They are looking for more luxury, or they can afford that now in this market. So I think that's why you're seeing that. So, all right, I just wanted to give you a quick update. The bottom line is the market here is still red hot, even with the interest rates going up. And homes on the market are, there are fewer homes on the market. They're going quickly. They're going for more money. Welcome to North Alabama. So, all right, guys. Hey, don't forget, if you like what we do, hit that subscribe button. And if we can help you in any way when it comes to real estate, just let me know. My contact information is below, and we would be more than happy to help you find your dream home here so you are a positive statistic and not a negative one. All right, that's it. Get out. I'll see you later. Have a great day. Bye.